Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about not null constraint. Null means unknown value or some missing value. The table value must be not null that this constraint specify. Okay. Is null and is not null operators are used in previously to find the null values or the null value rows. Or the record which contain null value is null and is not null operator is used. So let's create a table to verify the null. Create table not null. Suppose not null t. Inside this some id serial primary key and suppose tag is a text and not null. That's it. Let's run the query. The query returns successfully. So that select star from not null t. Yes, it's showing me a table. Okay, let's view the data. Inside the table name is, if I refresh this, the table name is not null t. Inside this, if I click on the table and properties, if I click on constraint, the not null pk, yeah, the by default primary key is not null. Okay, here in the column section you can see that the not null for the id is primary key is already on. Okay, and the not null we have set to tag is on. We can click here and make it off also, and click is on also. Here we can change the value, or clicking on right click on the column, and also we can change the value. Okay, suppose insert some values in the table. Insert into table name is not null t values. Insert into table name values where the id and tag values are, suppose first comma 1, integer 1, and the name is suppose pen. Let's run the query. Okay, the record is inserted successfully. If I run this, it's showing me a record. What if I not insert a value for pen and only for the value, and the tag is empty, then it gonna run or not? It checking, it saying that it violates not null constraint. So that we need to specify, we must need to insert a value for tag. Okay, let's try to insert a value for tag is not only null in a single quote, so that it takes null as a string. Okay, let's run the query. Yes, one is already exist. We know that the primary key is must be unique. Query returns successfully null. So null is takes as a string. What if I run a null and then run? We cannot insert a null value because it violates constraint. So here, if I try to insert a 0, then it giving me an error that this is a text and you are inserting an integer. and this is same as a null, so that if I giving him a code, so that it is a now text and we can insert 0. Oh, sorry. In previous also, if I insert only 0, then it will be inserted. Yes, it is inserted, and if I put here 0 input, it is inserted. It is a no, it is not null. Yes, if I see the value, yes, 3040. Here we can say that null is not same as null is not same as 0, and null null is not same as null and number 0. These are truly different. Okay. So the empty value is available. So suppose if some table has not no constraint, no has no constraint, that not no constraint. Okay, let's create one more table. Create table sample, yes, text, and run the query. Here you can see that the table is created. Insert. Now this table has no primary key. Okay, if I click on refresh here, refresh, inside the sample you can see the column. You can go to direct sample and properties, or inside the column and properties. The definition is text, and the constraint is not null is off. If I can earn it from here, or I can write a query to add constraint, alter table. Table name is sample. Add constraint. Okay, the constraint name is not null. Or sorry, this we can do set keyword. Okay, alter table name on the column. I forgot to write column. Alter column. Which column you want to set null is ss. The column name is ss. Alter column ss, and after that set not null. Set not null. If I run this query, the query inserted successfully. If I go here in SS and check the properties and go to constraint, now the not null is on using query. Or I can make it off again. So now, or let's see, can we add constraint not null? Add constraint not null. Let's run the query. Yes, we cannot add constraint because there is an error. It's showing an error. Okay, semicolon. Yes, we need to set a set not null. Set to not null. That's it. Thank you.